Imagine earning $500 with every single photo. As insane as it sounds, that's exactly what we're teaching you today. We're going to show you how you can start earning as much as $500 with a single image. And no, we won't be taking any photographs of our own, which means you won't even need to be a professional at anything, you don't need to be a designer, and you won't need any social media following whatsoever. This method is the easiest method ever. You can literally do this in less than 10 minutes, and that's all going to be thanks to our method for today. People from all over the world are already making money just like this from this method. This will be doing literally all of the work for you without needing to put in hours of your day just to accomplish it. You can do this on your phone, your laptop, your computer, a tablet. It doesn't really matter. This means that you can take your job with you absolutely anywhere. Not only is it an amazing way to earn money, it's also a convenient way to do so, which is just absolutely incredible. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now, our first website for today is called Adobe Spark, and to get to their website, you can just easily type in adobe.com/express, and that should take you to right here. This platform basically creates graphics, collages, flyers, videos, and animations that look professional in just a few taps. This website is going to be doing all of your work for you, but this isn't the platform that's going to pay us, alright? We are revealing that later on. And as we were saying, this platform is what's going to do all the work for you, and by that, we mean that this is where you're going to be able to get all of those photos get done for you so you can get paid hundreds of dollars for it by our second website. This website is completely free, so don't even worry about paying anything to get the work done for you. It's literally free. Now, it's time for us to sign up, and to do so, just click on Start Now over here, and that should take you to this. You can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, email, but we suggest that you just sign up with your email because it's always best to start from scratch. So now, provide your email address, first and last name, your password, date of birth, country, and region. And as you can see, they have everything from A to Z, so don't worry about that. It's available worldwide. Then hit create account, and this is what the inside of your Adobe Spark account should look like. On this page is where you'll find all of the templates you ever need photo-wise to create the professional images in under 10 minutes that we were telling you about earlier. As you can see on here, you can create flyers, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, collages, web pages, videos, and more. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now let's pull up an example, and let's say that we want to design an Instagram post. So let's click on that, and then it'll take you to here, where basically you'll find the template for it. And when we say template, we mean that it's already in the size that it's supposed to be if you were to make it an Instagram post. All you need is to make your design and all, but like we said, this already has ready-made designs for you, and you can actually see all of that here. You can just choose, then try it out, and actually just save it as that if that's all you want. Or if you want to customize a ready-made template, maybe change the colors, the design, the words on the template, you can change literally anything, make it your own, except you don't need to come up with a concept. You don't need to completely start from scratch. The concept's there, the design is there. All you need to do is make some adjustments according to what you want, and that's basically it. You kind of have the freedom to do anything. You can basically change everything, so that means there are no limitations to this, which we think is pretty awesome. So once you're done with your design, just click on download on the upper right corner of your screen, and boom, there's your professional looking photo done in under 10 minutes with barely any work, to be honest. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now we're getting into our second website. That's going to be our money-making website, and that website is called designcrowd.com. And on this website, there are customers looking to pay designers hundreds of thousands of dollars to create professional looking photos or posts, and this website is the perfect website for that. As you can see, these people who are coming from different parts of the world are already earning thousands of dollars just by graphic designing or logo designing or whatever like that, which is absolutely insane. Because what we did earlier, that's exactly it. And imagine earning thousands from that. All of the people you're seeing on our screen right now with this much money have put in so many hours of work just to be where they are now. But since we told you about Adobe Spark, you're going to get where they are now, maybe in like a month or so, but definitely not longer than it took them. Meaning you'll be earning 100 every single customer, which is just crazy. You can literally finish a design in minutes and then send it to your customer from Design Crowd and then enjoy your profit. It's literally as easy as that. You can do design logos to flyers to literally everything that Adobe Spark has to offer. You can apply for and submit so you can earn more and the most that you possibly can. Make sure you try this method out because again, there's no harm in trying. You never know, this just might be the best opportunity you've ever known and that you're ever going to know. You're not going to lose anything. In fact, you're going to earn something. Maybe a lesson learned or maybe money earned, and honestly, anything for that is worth it at this point. So do it, get your grind on, earn that $200 and live the life that you ever so wanted for yourself so you can start doing what you want, when you want, and do everything you've always wanted to do. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and we will see you in the next one.